Hi and welcome back to the channel, and thank you so much for clicking to this video. So in this video, I am going to teach you how to fix Supercell ID verification code not received error in your device. So make sure that you stay until the very end of this video so you won't miss any important step or information that I am going to show you and tell you in this video. So without further ado, let's get on it. So the first thing that you need to do is to simply go to the settings app on your device. After going to your settings, just go ahead and search for the app section and then go to the manage app, and then in there just find the Gmail application and then just tap onto it. And after going to the Gmail application section, in there just click onto the force stop. So it is this right here as shown in the picture above, and then you can also click on the clear data and click on the clear cache and clear data also. And after that, you can go ahead and go to the app permissions. So you can allow all the permissions from here, and then if it is already enabled, then you can disable it and then enable it again. So doing this will solve your problem, and now you can sign in into the Clash Royale application and to see if the verification code OTP is being received or not. So that's it for this video, and I hope this helped you, and if it did, please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit notification bell button so you won't miss a video. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day. Bye bye.